Hello YouTube, this is Dave with Lost Farms Homestead. I'm here with my beautiful wife. Say hey.
Hey.
And we're going to be cutting bottles today here in the garage at the house in town. Yeah, we're a little bit trashed in here right now, but it's just because we're piled up with cases of bottles. We've collected several cases of bottles here over the last while.
Just kidding, we're alcoholics.
We're not alcoholics. We just been collecting, and so it's a little bit trashed in here, but that's why we're cutting them, to get it down so that we can make room for other stuff. So pretty much the process is, we've got the tile saw here. This is a wet saw, tile saw, and why don't you show them, love, what we're gonna do. Alright, so we got this set up. So okay, hold on. So first we've got the fence right here set. What are we at, 2 inches? Okay.
4.
Yeah, so we got 2 inches on the fence, so that when we cut this, it'll be 2 inches. And then what we'll do is we'll take that and match it to another one the same size and tape it together and make a 4-inch brick.
It ends up being like 5 1/4.
Yeah, 5 1/4 when it's all said and done. So, but what she's gonna do is take that and spin it away from her slowly. Yeah, and it'll
Spinning
cut.
it to me.
Oh, towards her. Sorry, this direction. All right, and that's 1/2, and then it goes into the water to be cleaned.
Because
then
sometimes the liquor gets sticky.
Yeah, sometimes it gets sticky. So also super important while doing this, gloves, eye protection.
I'd wear more clothes, but it's hotter than Hades.
Yeah, it's very hot right now. So, all right. So she's going to continue that. All right, so we've finished with the cutting for the day. So now we're going to start matching them together and taping them together. So come over here. You can see over here. Get this situated here. Oh my God. All right, so she is matching and taping right now.
These ones are a lot bigger because they're going to be shelves and showers instead of just pretty in the wall.
Right, so you can see we've got a few of them over here. Those ones right there are going to be shelves. The one she's working on is going to be a shelf. So, and then over here, if we just look at this, so here, all right, So the reason we have all of this out is because we got this paint. This is stained glass paint. We got red, orange, and yellow.
More variety in colors.
For a variety of colors. That one good?
Still wet.
I know. All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna dry these off here, if I can do this without cutting myself.
This is why we wear gloves.
More. Yeah. Gloves. Yeah.
I swear you're a walking glove advertisement.
I know. We should make a new feature on Dave's injury of the week.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna spray the inside of this and see how this works. That's pretty good, actually. What do you think?
I think the paint's moving.
It is. Let me set it down so it can. There. Alright. So we'll make an experiment of that one. See how it does. I think we need another couple here.
Yeah, I think you took too much paint in it.
Yeah, maybe. This is the one that I did originally. Maybe we do some orange in that one. Alright, let's try it orange.
It'd probably be so much easier at a table.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Orange one. It's a little
Milky?
it's a little thick around the edges. I think there's some water still in it. I thought Alright, so red, orange,
And a yellow.
I'll pull one of these and do a yellow. So, thought I dried that out pretty good before I did that. Apparently not. The other thing, I was thinking I might have dried one off and then grabbed the one that I didn't dry. Because that's totally something I would do. Yellow. Alright. And
The orange is prettiest.
yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Do we want to do any more of these, or are we just doing experiments right now?
This is just an experiment. I have plenty of well bottles.
Alright.
No, I'm not stronger than duct tape.
Alright, so what we're doing here is we're using,
Can that even see?
yeah, we're using one clear with
One colored.
one colored one, so we can stretch out the colored ones and make them go farther. And what we'll do is we'll put the clear side on the outside of the building and the green side on the inside, so that it looks green from the inside. So right, so we're finished
For the day.
for the day. Finished taping and boxing these up. So this is what we've got from this cutting. So this box is all beer bottles. The smaller ones, they are green, brown, and clear. This one is the larger green bottles, mostly Jameson. These are the blue ones, the Cobalt. And then we've got a whole bunch of round and square clear ones. And these are 2 deep. Each one is about 6 inches. And it's 2 deep all the way through. And then these are the big ones that we did for the shelves. And then this is another box of all clear, round and square. These are the oddball ones that we have, the experimental ones that we colored. And we got a few more sitting over here on this. These ones are drying. We're gonna let these dry and get them cleaned up and see what they look like when they're done. So, and then we have this one here. This is just odds and ends that didn't have a match for what we were doing at the time. So,
it fluctuates though.
And this mess right here, this is what we have left to cut that we haven't gotten to yet. And that's probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep. 1, 2, 3, probably about 5 high and about, I want to say probably about 4. So 5 by 5 by 4, probably 100 cases. And, when we do, it takes 4 cases of cuts to make 1 case of bricks. So actually it takes 8 because they're 2 deep. So 8 cases of...
That's 4.
Is it 4?
That's 4.
All right, 4 cases of cuts to make 1 case of bricks. So anyways, all right, so that's where we're at right now. So yeah, we're gonna get it cleaned up right now, and then
Frequently asked questions.
yeah, we'll do like a frequently asked questions about bottle cutting when we're finished after we get cleaned up. So stick around.